I'll see me to go to Chinsway like bar. He never said go me. Already on my beat that go mention the other body. Me go doesn't color clean him out and child me out good doesn't be among your body. If there is a drop in giving pressure, also the max will drop down in front of you. Pull the max, place it over in nose mouth, and breathe normally. Attend to yourself first before helping other including children.
Little learner.
The gay yelling, either we don't want to the tango let them in your outwenta she She was into the gay go, come on ma, so Charlie B. Choose that train, she dog like as a mom. Teacher see and choose out so well. Lady to a day, Johnny Dago so a month party. The gay to the man lady to a limo cute and young cone. Mono come in at a middle at the cooler bar she body. She was in the mope, the gay Miago Mulan and my pesha and Pulo Bunny, to the pesha and Pulo Baga. Jinkan of the John the Limu Jazzy worry. Your life versus either cedar and empress. Choose the slipper over your head, secure the strap, run your waist and tighten by pulling the strap. Inflate your life is only at the exit just before leaving the aircraft by pulling on these red tag. Your life has two mouthpieces for the inflation and a life for attracting attention. These do not remove the life from the cabin and there's an emergency. Removal of a life is a serious offense. She wrote about Yali being a fellow to Shiva and Yam, so what would Yali Shiva about, later in about, number 2 about the Shibari. She was generally limited as an hour in the time mirror needs only she thought about me on the dawn and money. Emergency exits are located on both sides of the aircraft. They located 2 at the front, 2 in the center, and 2 at the rear of the cabin. In case of emergency, use the nearest exit by following the emergency lighting on the floor. Either we don't show how she does any way than you can be the child or later by shoot how we run the other morning. The safety information card is placed in the sleep pocket in front of you. Please read it carefully. Here's the Marmia. Thank you for attention and we wish you pleasant flight.